Is mi Stephen Grémach a min am Thíamh Hítear at Cúspel in STEM showing e-Sgoil on the Stornowag on Nellan Loish. I'm Stephen Graham, I'm the principal teacher of STEM subjects here at e-Sgoil in Stornoway in the Isle of Lewis. What is e-Sgoil? Well, E is for equity, first and foremost. That's what we're all about. Allowing for all pupils to have the same opportunities, the same experience, to be able to choose whatever subjects they wish to choose, to have no doors closed upon them due to the size of their school, due to staff availability in their school. That's what we are first and foremost there to deliver, an equitable education to all pupils. E is for electronic. We're using the latest technology on both the receiving and delivery end to provide for the best experience for our pupil. E is for emergent. e-Sgoil is increasingly seen as a vehicle for delivering an equitable education into Scotland's schools. E is for evolving. e-Sgoil is continually ready to adapt, evolve and respond to any given situation or circumstances that present themselves to us in any school.
Is Mr. Jessica, how many do you have psychology on in school? There weren't any psychology teachers at our school, so it's enabled us to be able to do it with the teacher from a different school. We weren't sure how it was going to work because of maybe like problems with the Wi-Fi and connections, but it's all been fine and the sound's good. It's a really good way to provide subjects. It's worked really well for our school because it's small, so it's enabled us to be able to take more subjects like they would do on a bigger school on the mainland. It's also a really good way to expand Gaelic medium education throughout schools in Scotland because you can have one teacher who can teach schools in a few classes across different schools at the same time.
Hi, I'm Una in P6 at Scoilman Loch on the Isle of Lewis. I went abroad and was able to continue my fiddle lessons thanks to e-Sgoil. One day soon we might all be able to take part in a e-Cayley.